Hi everyone. If you are a beginner and you want to speak English fluently, there are 5 tenses you should learn and focus on. These 5 tenses will help you a lot in everyday English conversation. So let's take a look at them. Number 1, the simple present tense. Number 2, the present continuous tense. Number 3, the simple past tense. Number 4, the present perfect tense. And number 5, the simple future tense. Let's take a brief look at the following 5 tenses. This will help you understand them better. So let's get started. Number 1, simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to talk about daily routines, habits, and things that happen regularly. The formula for the simple present tense is subject plus base form, first form of verb plus object. There is one important point to remember. We add s or es to the base verb when the subject is he, she, or it. For example, I play cricket. She plays cricket. They watch TV. He watches TV. Let's move on to the second tense. The second tense is the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening now or around the present time. Let's take a look at the formula. The formula for the present continuous tense is subject plus is mr plus verb ing plus object. Here is m and r are helping verbs and verb ing is the ing form of the verb. It is quite a simple formula and we can easily make sentences using it. Let's take a few examples. I am playing cricket. I am writing a book. She is playing football. He is playing the guitar. Let's move on the simple past tense. The simple past tense is quite simple. We use it to talk about actions that happened and were completed in the past. Let's go through the formula. The formula for the simple past tense is the subject plus second form of the verb plus object. It is also quite simple because we generally use the second form of verb in affirmative sentences in the simple past tense. Let's take a look at some examples. I went to the market. She played cricket. He wanted to go out. I did my work. Let's move on to the another tense, which is the present perfect tense. It is also easy to understand and we use the present perfect tense to talk about actions that have been completed recently or actions that happened in the past but have a connection with the present. Let's take a look at the formula. The formula of the present perfect tense is subject plus has or have plus third form of verb plus object. Here is an important point to remember. Has is used with he, she, it and singular noun, while have is used with I, you, we and they and plural noun. Let's take some examples. I have done my task. She has completed her task. He has done his task. We have completed our task. Now let's move on to the fifth and the last tense, the simple future tense. The simple future tense is also quite simple. We use it to talk about actions that will happen in the future. Let's take a look at the formula. The formula of the simple future tense is subject plus will plus base form plus object. Let's take some examples. I will go to the market. She will come to the party. They will go out tomorrow. So these are 5 important tenses that can help you beginners communicate in English. If you are a beginner and you want to improve your spoken English, focus on these 5 tenses and practice using them in everyday conversation. If you are already beyond the beginner level, you should learn and practice all 12 tenses. They will help you express yourself more accurately and confidently. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.